Poupou Whakapiki Mauri is a 16-week online course designed to enhance your Māori order. It utilises the Māori health concept called Te Whare Tapawhā. A lot of the time we're just focusing on our kai hauora and our Pākari tinana. With Te Whare Tapawhā we're looking at the entire picture, our taha hinengaro, taha tinana, taha wairua and our taha whānau. Poupou Whakapiki Mauri is catered for ngā tangata katoa i Aotearoa, from our kaumātua who are wanting to add a holistic health approach into their everyday lives, to our rangatahi who perhaps are starting out on their health and wellbeing journey. Whakapiki Mauri looks different for everyone, from mahi mara and walking your dog to playing with your tamariki or mukapuna and going to Te Whare Pākari tinana. You walk away with a certificate in health and wellbeing, you walk away feeling revitalised, and you walk away with a new approach to health and wellbeing through a Māori lens.